that we will give back the money.
Settlement
and all.
agreement is an act of inducement.
Yeah. And
The investment was for the company.
True.
Settlement agreement came about later.
True.
That an amount had to be paid to him.
True.
So the submission is that you lured him into getting into the settlement agreement and not adhered to the agreement later.
The money has been invested in the company. Lordships may kindly keep that.
No, no.
So it is not given to me at
It is
all.
all right. Settlement
No,
agreement.
I'll come. The settlement is nothing but this itself.
The 2.28 million is transferred into the company
True.
in furtherance of the settlement agreement.
No.
Initially,
transferred.
It was transferred at that initially.
that is what he is saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Initially, it was that. Later, the settlement agreement comes about,
Please.
which is in total breach is what is said.
No, he has given the money to himself in one way and thereafter say 406 and then he accuses me saying that you have misappropriated. And by releasing fixed deposit of 6.35 crores, he said, we have got it released. No, here the bank has appropriated itself and reduced the first bank. The question of
And
you
the
and
settlement agreement, whether it amounts to action amounts. to
Lordships may
406,
kindly see.
420.
this will be a strange case where the complainant and the accused will be the one and the same because he is also director
But
shareholder.
the allegation.
If you want the company to be made accused, obviously as a director, he should be also made an accused.
That's
But there cannot be any doubt on that.
Sir, what I say in the complaint as a layperson, or what the police say with all their knowledge of criminal law, doesn't matter for the court. Yeah, ultimately, the court will decide about it.
Yes.
I don't mind.
If you have completed.
No, he has completed. It was for my reply.
Reply, all
Yes.
right.
No, my submission
But
was
there-
that I was induced to sign the settlement agreement. Earlier, I had commenced the criminal proceedings against the petitioners. And I was told, my lord, you withdraw all that, we will give back the money.
Settlement
and all.
agreement is an act of inducement.
Yeah. And subsequent conduct proves that they never had the intention of honoring it, and it is cheating and criminal breach of trust.
Yes.
That is what my learned friend has argued. But may I request Lordships to revisit the complaint? Well, I'll just want to bring to Lordships.
Page.
At page 28. Paragraph 2. Lordship. Mr. Patrick Bauer, he is the complainant. He is in the business of developing and manufacturing attachments for forklift trucks, products for the environmental sector and recycling waste containers, among others. The accused, Mr. R. Pillai, is the managing director of Mr. Zonta Private Limited,
Yes.
a company registered under Companies Act so and so. Mr. Patrick Bauer is also a shareholder and director of Zonta. It's the same company.
All right.
Kindly see my lord, next sentence. He has also invested an amount of 1.5 million euros as equity and 2.5 million euros by way of external commercial borrowing.
No, you have to answer his submission that he was induced
No,
into
that is the answer.
signing the
No,
settlement.
I'm coming to that. But Lordships may kindly see the fundamental fact, even according to them.
All right.
This sentence I wanted to emphasize. He is the director of Zonta. I am a director of Zonta. This money is invested in the company, of which both of us are directors. That last sentence, Lordships, it is not given to me. He has invested an amount of 1.5 million euros as equity and 2.5 million euros by way of external commercial borrowing in Zonta.
Understood.
Please.
The investment was for the company.
True.
Settlement agreement came about later.
True.
That an amount had to be paid to him.
True.
So the submission is that you lured him into getting into the settlement agreement and not adhered to the agreement later. Therefore, it amounts
I will
to
answer
406,
I will-
420.
what the point which I was trying to make before your Lordships is this.
Yes.
For the purposes of attraction of 405, Lordships are aware.
406.
406.
Mm.
I must have an act of deception must have taken it by which
So that
he
is
was to be
450.
deprived of the property. It should have been entrusted to me. It should have been entrusted to me.
405 is first entrustment.
Yes.
Dishonest misappropriation of that.
Thereafter,
entrustment.
in
That is
violation of
415 is inception of deceit from the beginning.
Beginning
Very
itself.
beginning.
Now they say 409 notes as against me. The money has been invested in the company. Lordships may kindly keep that.
No.
It is not given to me at
It is
all.
all right. Settlement agreement.
No, I'll come. The settlement is nothing but this itself. Therefore, I wanted to bring to Lordships.
Settlement is investment into the
This
company.
itself, the settlement is nothing but revisiting the payment terms as to how he will exit from the company and how I will pay it back. kindly
as
see now.
simple as yours.
Lordships may kindly see. Lordships have seen the complaint first, no? I just
Yes,
wanted to.
complaint, fine.
No, please. But the settlement agreement is nothing else beyond the complaint, no?
Yes,
But just one other, no, it's a paragraph in that complaint, page 29, last paragraph.
yes.
Last sentence, Lordships may kindly see. The said settlement is agreement is, this is not his foundation is this para 4. Thereafter, on 6th October 2022, a settlement agreement was entered into between Mr. Bauer, Mr. Patrick Bauer, between Messrs. Zonta Infratech Private Limited, through Managing Director Rajan Pillai, and between so and so, not relevant for that. The said settlement agreement is attached below. According to the said settlement agreement, it was accepted by the Managing Director of Messrs. Zonta, Mr. So and so, that Mr. Boyer has extended an amount of rupees 2.28 million euros in the form of standby letter of credit to enable Mr. Zonta Infratech Private Limited to avail credit facilities from State Bank of India.
Yes.
So I don't come into picture. Now, Lordships may kindly see the settlement agreement at page 119. But kindly see what is the terms of.
Complainant
Yes.
and the accused enter into this settlement agreement.
No, Zonta. Company. That is the.
All right,
No,
company.
company
fine,
only.
Company,
Represented by the.
No,
petitioner.
obviously,
All right.
he is also director of the company. I am also director of the company.
company.
Money goes into the
So
company.
it goes into the company.
Company.
Zonta Infratech Private Limited.
True.
All right.
Please.
Now, after that, the 2.28 million is transferred into the company
True.
in furtherance of the settlement agreement.
No.
Initially,
Transferred.
It was transferred at that initially.
that is what he is saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Initially, it was that. Later, the settlement agreement comes about,
Please.
which is in total breach is what is said.
No, there is no difference. I want to say.
That's all.
I have no qualm about this allegation being made that you have not adhered to the settlement agreement. If they are to say so, there is some record for.
Amount to 406 or
No,
420.
it does not amount to 400. Not only that, but fundamentally, I wanted to emphasize before your lordships, the money has not come to me. The money has come to the company. He is a director of the company. His partner.
Company is not an accused.
They have not consciously not made them as an accused because he is also part. Both of us are not in the company. He has given the money to himself in one way and thereafter say 406, and then he accuses me saying that you have misappropriated. But for the purposes of record, just lordships may kindly see that settlement agreement at 119.
Yes.
What is the agreement ultimately we have entered? And what is this agreement, my lord? This agreement admittedly is done by the, my lords, in the celebrated presence of a deputy commissioner of police in the police
He
station.
celebrated
This is the kind of settlement. He files a complaint, DCP calls us and enters. It's on record. So the DCP sends the draft agreement. and
DCP sends-
Yes, he sends it's on record. It's on record. No. This is not something which is outside the record.
Police stations have
Yes.
got themselves converted into these things.
DCP sends it by mail. I have sent you the draft settlement agreement. Please sign it and get it back.
I don't know where it is. It
No,
is
it
not
is
on.
Maybe
record.
place it on record. I'll just.
No, it is not on.
No, it is
record
there.
now.
Sir. It is there, sir. I have seen it. I'll place it on.
No, maybe.
Last occasion I mentioned it also. No, I've seen it, sir. Page 119, what is settlement agreement? Kindly see the settlement agreement. On the right-hand side, page 120.
Yes,
ZIPL, the lordships get that.
yes.
ZIPL shall reimburse the cost of renewal of SBLC in 2 tranches. 27,500 euro, balance of 82,763 euros. Then third point, lordships, ZIPL shall make endeavor to release the SBLC not later than 30th November 2022 by pledging the property of ZIPL or Mr. Raj. This is in essence, the agreement. Then we have to also pay him some money, my lord, for his transport, which is at
Yes,
next
that is
point.
there, yes.
These are the 3 things which were the original.
So
Now,
there is,
Lord, what-
there is an alleged breach of this.
Alleged breach of this, and my lord, again, my lord, sorry, my lord, last time I'm saying this. The money has not come to me. I can understand, my lord, I am Rajkumar Pillai. If the money had come to me and I had misappropriated, the principles of 405 at least could have been attracted. The company, he invests in the company, he invests the money in the company, he is part of the company.
Okay.
Lordships may also permit me to complete the document which my learned friend last time read before your lordships. May I request lordships to kindly see what happens after the settlement agreement at page 124. We were supposed to, under the settlement agreement, lordships have seen, release that SBLC, standby letter of credit, 124, my lord, pursuant to the settlement agreement, I write a letter to the IFCIB branch at page 124 at annexure H.
Hmm.
There I say, my lords, second sentence.
Hmm.
This letter is in relation to the subject matter cited above, and you on the various points of time. As you are aware, we had proposed replacement of the SPLC with the personal properties of Mr. Rajkumar C. Pillai last year and reiterate our
So
proposal
now
once
everything
again.
revolves around the settlement agreement
Settlement.
and its breach.
And well, next page, no, I am only bringing to lordship's notice the bona fides of the petitioners. Next page at SBI writes us back to at page
Next is
125.
J
125, last paragraph. What is approved is in fact not they downsize our capital fund, working capital.
Yes.
Now, second, what is not approved, substitution of existing SBLC by Deutsche Bank, Germany, so and so, renewable in every month of residual value of rupees 8.18 crore in the name of Rajkumar. They said we will not accept your. There's one other sentence which my learned friend read out to your lordship's last occasion. The sentence which commences just above what I just read, renewal of bill. An impression was sought to be given to lordships by reading that, saying renewal of fund-based working capital with reduction from 22 crores to 13.65 crores and non-fund based working capitals with reduction from 4.10 crores to 2.81 crore. And by releasing fixed deposit of 6.35 crores, he said, we have got it released. No, here the bank has appropriated itself and reduced the West Bank. The question of we did not get. Then wrote that other aspect, how much money we have paid pursuant to the settlement. And what I must also bring to lordship's notice, and I'm sure my learned friend will not dispute this. After the settlement agreement, my lords, we have paid 56. Totally, my lords, we have paid him 10.36 crores, that is equity, not about 15 crores. This is what we have paid. No, we have paid about 15 crores, 8 lakhs,
We'll answer the
26,500.
settlement agreement, whether it amounts to action amounts. to
Lordship may
406,
kindly see.
420.
And not arbitration and
No,
that's
that
going
this-
on.
this
Allow-
matter is
only
not
let me
subject matter
complete.
of any
Pursuant to that, Honorable Supreme Court lords has appointed a 3-member Justice Bokun, retired judge of the Honorable Supreme Court to preside over the arbitration dispute between both of us.
This
In
is not the
respect of,
subject matter.
All right.
it is in respect of the same trend. It's
The
not.
other aspect of.
No,
the
not other aspect. I'm sorry. I must place the
No,
facts correctly. It is in respect of the same settlement agreement.
No,
In fact,
sorry.
my learned friend is appearing there.
No, I am sorry.
Terms of
It is not
reference,
in
put it.
respect
Order-
of
order
this.
of
I am prepared to swear to an
Even
affidavit.
otherwise will,
Even otherwise, my lord.
sir, whether it amounts to 406.
Yes, 406 and my lord 420 and other.
The
offences.
error, 406.
from
My lord, although my lord, my humble submission is this, that my learned friend just now read, page number 125. Page number 125. My lord, before that, kindly see the settlement agreement. 1 minute, my lord, I will take your lordship.
I have seen it last time.
Yeah, your lordship has seen, your lordship has also seen.
No
the-
money is reduced in a
schedule.
settlement agreement. There is no, it is only that we have reworked the
Made notes also.
payment terms.
Heard so and so.
My lord, we have submitted,
Yes.
my lord, in this judgment, my lord, this, your lordship, my lord, a coordinate bench said,
ಯಾವ್ದು?
not making company a party will not.
ಕುನ್ನವ್ರದ್ದು.
No, that is one thing I have already given.
Then leave it.
My lord, this one, my lord, this is by Justice K. Natarajan, writ petition number 17768 of 2021.
Lords, when should the company be made a party? And all those things are well settled now.
My lord, under section 319 and also I think section 245, when it comes to a corporate, three.
This will be a strange case where the complainant and the accused will be the one and the same, because he is also director
But
shareholder.
the allegation.
If you want the
only
company to
against
be
the
made
petitioner.
accused, obviously as a director, he should be also made an accused.
That's
But there cannot be any doubt on that.
All right.
Yes.
We'll answer on 406,
Yes.
420. Yes. Heard reserved.
Grateful.
Heard the land senior counsel.
My learned friend says this one other judgment, Delhi Race Club, which is part of the compilation.
That is Delhi Race Club. yes.
Delhi, please.
Delhi Race Club is what is 406 and what is 420.
Please.
The police have to be tutored about what is 406 and 420. Justice Pardivalas.
Yes, yes, yes.
My lord, the court can frame the charges later under appropriate.
319
All
company
open.
can be bought in
Yes.
later. We'll see. We'll
Either
answer.
what I say in the complaint as a layperson or what the police say with all their knowledge of criminal law doesn't matter
Yes,
for the
sir.
court.
We'll see.
Ultimately, the court will decide about it.
Yes.
Grateful.
Enter ಮಾಡು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Please, there is a.
Enter ಮಾಡು continues till the